How to download Jazzcash app. So if you want to download Jazzcash app, then first of all you need to open up your Play Store and make sure to have a stable internet connection, and then tap on the search bar and search for Jazzcash, and here you will have this application, right? So if you want to download this application, now you can simply tap on install, and it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection. And after downloading, you can simply tap on open, which is on the right side, and after tapping on that open, you can sign up to your account, or you can log into your account and use that. So that's it. That's how you download and install. It might take some time, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.